Alright, so the easiest way I think to show the progress of the progressions of all this is through video. So this is the first handout page, which I originally brailled using this method where it's got it's this tool for the lines and brailing for the numbers. Everything else is brailled. That's Sharpie, except for that's a puff paint. That's Sharpie with the bumpy things, if you can see them. It's a little hard to see. So that was the original way, and I thought that worked pretty well. You had said that that worked really well, but I'm really glad I did another change because I had originally also done this little manipulative, and I thought it'd be nice to have a handout that made more sense together with that. So the way I redid it was I made the handout very similar to this way, but if you can see, the method is just by using the so like this would be the first step, and it's using the paper or the cardstock in the same way that it was used on this manipulative. So like, for example, step 1 is just the square where you're supposed to label the sides. Step 2 is where it says to draw a line, but I was kind of thinking further ahead as far as what they're gonna have to do afterwards, which is cut it. So it has you draw the line. This one shows what to do. The manipulative corresponds well with that because you're going to be cutting that off. And then and that's actually, that was step 1 and 2. So that's step 1 and 2. And then that's step 1 and 2. And then this is step 3. This is step 3. And this was the original way that I did step 3. And then the new way is like this. And what it is again, you know, this paper with the dotted line done in, the dotted line is done in puff paint. I just added this braille number. I didn't put the arrow and all because it's so close to it, so I think you would know that it's side 2. So you can kind of see how it's made, and it corresponds really well to the more manipulative, because then they can this would even take them to the next step, where once they've drawn it, they're supposed to cut it and move this one over to here, and then the last step would be to move this one down to here, which corresponds to the final manipulative. So that's it.